We are in Baybay City again. Tay is getting her money from the remittance, and then we're gonna go skating again. She needs to practice, so we're gonna go skating again at the same spot. Tay is teaching the kids how to skate now. How's it going, Tay? Having fun? This is like day 2 progress, right?
Huh?
This is day 2 progress.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that your injury?
This is my injury.
Unfortunately, I didn't film it.
Secret only how I got it.
Anyway, I was looking at the drone footage of Lintaon from the other day, and I was actually really disappointed. It was like a really nice scenery and stuff, but it was like very blurry. I can't figure out exactly what went wrong. But I brought my drone here today to the plaza, so I'm gonna fly it here. I think it's either one of two things. Maybe the lens was just smudged, or the ND filter that goes like on the lens. Or a third thing, it could have just been out of focus. Anyway, let's see. Okay, so this is the ND filter. I'm just gonna take it off. This is supposed to be like sunglasses for the drone. You see, like that. Maybe that's dirty, I don't know. I'm not gonna take any chances. Just gonna remove it with a microfiber cloth in case the lens itself is dirty. Okay, it looks pretty in focus so far on my phone, but I can't really tell now if it's out of focus, but I did tap to focus. Right now I'm tapping on the clouds. Let's see if it's that. I don't really know. I've landed the drone now. I'm gonna check some of the footage. Hopefully it doesn't look so bad. It actually does not look as bad as when I was flying at Lintaon. But I still don't know exactly what the problem was. But maybe if I check it on the computer, it will look different. So I don't know. I guess you'll find out the same time I will. Now that I'm looking through the ND filter, I can actually see that there is a bit of a smudge on it. What do you think? You think it's that?
Yeah, it's a little bit, I know. It's not so clear.
Yeah, maybe that is the problem, huh? I should maybe have cleaned that one. Sorry about that. Anyway, how's your skateboarding going?
I'm a little bit shocked because there are a lot of people, sitting, and I get really,
Okay, so I'm gonna skateboard, you film me.
Where's that?
Done at the plaza now. We're gonna go to Theo wants to take me to a taco place. Is that right?
Yeah, I wanna eat Mexican food.
Are you sure it's not Filipino Mexican?
Filipino Mexican.
Filipino Mexican food, because it's in the Philippines. Started to rain a little bit, so now we're using these umbrellas. I got a blue one. This got a pink one. Yeah. After tacos, we're gonna come here. We're gonna look for halo halo, right?
Yeah, we're gonna check out if there's halo halo around.
Yes, because I still haven't had halo halo. I need halo halo.
It's good, no?
Now for the burrito.
Are you ready?
This is actually the Filipino burrito because there's rice in this. At least I got to the meat part, not just rice. Okay, so I was expecting more.
Yeah, I really thought that because the last time I ate their burrito, it was really good. So I just think that something was missing there.
So now we're gonna go for halo halo, huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's get some dessert.
I hope we can find halo halo.
Yeah, there's no halo halo in this area. I think it's just food.
So we heard there's halo halo here. Okay, so halo halo has come. Over here we have some ube ice cream. We have some jelly. What is this? Coconut?
That's coconut. Coconut meat.
Coconut meat. Then we have some cornflakes and more jelly. And I think I see some pieces of fruit, huh? So halo halo means mix, right? So you have to mix it well.
I was challenging you.
Oh, you're challenging me. Okay, so they challenge me and who can mix the halo halo first. I think I won, she thinks she won. Anyway, this is what it should look like. Real mixed halo halo. I'm very excited for this. Hamikayo, it's better than I even remember it. I know it does not look so delicious as it did before, but trust me, it is much more delicious like this.
Oh yeah, I wanted you to compare it to the halo halo we had in Siargao.
Oh, that one. That was so long ago. That was so long ago, I wouldn't even remember.
Yeah.
But that was much more value for money because that was like a very tall glass full of halo halo. That can't be better than this because that was the best halo halo in the Philippines.
But I think that we can find better halo halo than
Ah,
we should
brain breathe.
we should do a halo 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 hunting in all around the Philippines.
Yes. Okay, so now we know what the later has to offer. Next we will try Cebu. By the way, we will go to Cebu tomorrow. So I'm gonna end this video here. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Guess I'll see you guys in the next video.